Hello everyone. The branch on membership feature add a branch functionality to the membership, allowing user to manage a membership by branch details. Try it today for a better organization. After installing this module, let's get into the settings where under user and companies we can create a list of branches. So you can see I have created a branches for San Francisco. Now, like the same way, just getting into the user, and we need to give an access for a multiple branch, and we will give an access for a branch like we have a user and also the manager access rights. Now let it be. Now let's get into the preference where I have added an allowed branch and also the main branch. So once every setup done, let's get into the members. Let's start with the membership configuration. Over here you can see a membership products. So there are two products which I have created. Let's get into the first one. This is the product which I have created and added basic information like internal reference, product category, company, everything like a membership duration, membership fees, income account, taxes. As I've done that, you can see a branches too. So this particular membership product will be belongs to an Auckland. Now we are in a Fremont. So if you need to create a new membership using a new option, it will automatically take an Fremont as a branch. Now in case if I need to change the branch to Auckland, so it will be showing an error pop-up to the user like if you need to change to the other branch, please switch to the branch from the header and set that. So this is a pop-up. It will shows to the user, and now you can see it will be in the outline. Now let's get into the list view of the membership product. So if you need to filter it out based on the branch wise, we have an option to filter it out. So it will easily filter it out based on the branch wise. Now let's get into the members. So where we can see a list of members. Now let's create a new member. Now I'll mark decoded to the new member. So for that we need to buy the membership. Let's click on the membership and it will take the membership price. Now let's add a branch. Now invoice membership. Now the invoice will be created with a tax. Now let's confirm it. Over here we can see a branch. Now we can enable the branch over here. Now do the registered payment. So it will take the branch automatically and we can complete the payment. So once we get back to the main page where you can see the buying member. So if let's get back to the main page of the members where we can see a list of members. If the member is not completed the invoice yet, okay, so it will show as an invoiced member, not a paid member, invoiced member. So if the person is already paid, so it will be marked as a paid member now. Okay. So this person is already a member, and you can see the same over here. The branches will be shown in the order line, and also in this we can filter it out based on the branch wise. So for each and every person, we can filter based on the branch wise too. So these are all about this module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.